Alright, y'all niggas out there, straight H-Town niggas, New York niggas, whatever, West Coast, East Coast, North Coast, whatever y'all niggas at. It's your boy College Kid, your boy right here, a.k.a. Brandon though. I'm finna spit a little something for y'all, straight freestyle. I'm gonna let y'all listen to a little something. Let that beat drop real quick. Alright, go y'all niggas right now. Say right now. Oh, y'all haters, niggas that be trying to hate on me. I'ma tell y'all little niggas, y'all need to stop. Pop that. Pop that AKA 4722. Niggas straight up drunk, and I was still fucking to. I'ma tell you a little good. Spread her leg and tell her like this. And tell her take it off and tell her let me just fight this. I know you really nasty, but a nigga ain't fucking with you. And yeah, I fuck all the girls in the club with you. And I'ma tell you how fresh I get. Your boy College Kid, straight up from the NYC. And I'ma tell ya, y'all can't see me cause I'm unbelievable. Stop that beat and let that bitch continue to do. Stop it and drop it and let that bitch pop it. And tell that bitch to pop her booty up and like a rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, I'm popping. And pop 4, 5, baby, on you niggas, stop it. And yeah, I know you like it, but I'm riding so fly. And tell that nigga what's good, cause I'ma ride high. I'm a straight blood nigga in Westside Peru. And so all y'all niggas, y'all need to stop it too. Cause I'm fly as fuck and need to get fresh. Fuck all y'all bitches, nigga, tell her what's good.
Yeah.
Stay from the east, north, south, and that west.
Yeah.
The NYC, nigga, that's what's the best.
Yo, it's Raheem, but they call it nigga B. I don't give a damn, I'm too fresh and too clean. Low cut, got the gat cocked on my waist, and if I hater talking shit, I'll empty the clip in his face. I had mad beef. I'm from the high school, but everybody knows my block straight rules. Shit, the hard knock like popping, and if I hater talking shit, I get his jaw rocking, my fist locking up in his face. Everybody knows I get his nigga straight out of goddamn life, this existence. I don't give a fuck about shit. I got the pistol on the waist for a nigga who's running at the mouth. I'm king of this motherfucking dirty South. Goddamn, 8-town cities where I reside, but Shot Town is where I'm from. Everybody get high, I get